Matt Mosley from Galloway and Company. I wake up every morning and have at least 2 to 3 cups of coffee. That would be one thing if I could stop at that point. But as I go through the evening and the afternoon on Galloway and Company, I continue to drink coffee. I'm absolutely wired, and I find myself reading magazines and staying up till 2 in the morning. I have found a solution. It's called iChill Relaxation Shot. It's an all-natural sleep formula, so you don't wake up feeling like you've drained a bottle of cough medicine. I've tried it. I wouldn't lend my name to it if I hadn't. It tastes good. It's got 0 calories. There's no carbs. The iChill Relaxation Shot actually makes you feel good the next morning, and you feel like you've had a great rest. You can go to CVS, to the sleep aid section, go to Smoothie King, 7-Eleven, Exxon on the Run, Racetrack, Love's Convenience Stores to find the iChill Relaxation Shot. Try it today. If you have trouble falling asleep like I do and you're tired of staying up all night, try the iChill Relaxation Shot. It works.